Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about specifically a family law consultation. So to get started, you'll first go through the intake process where we ask general questions like what's your name, your phone number, your email, and then we'll start talking about what's going on in your case currently. So tell us a little bit. Are you going through a divorce or a custody battle, a child protective services case, and has anything been started or filed? And if yes, have you been served? And this is an important question because if you have, we'll need to move quick. There's a really limited time to respond. Are there any children involved? Are there any assets or properties that will need to be discussed during the divorce case? And if it's a custody issue, are you in need of creating a court order visitation, or are you in need of modifying or enforcing the court order? Are there any upcoming hearings or trials coming up? And lastly, we want to know your win outcome. We always like to ask, if we were to wave a magic wand, what would you like to have happen? Because if we understand what you want, we can do our best to give it to you. So those are some example questions of things that might be important to ask during specifically a family law consultation. We hope this video is helpful, and thanks so much.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.